Hello, can you guess what we're going to build today? A tractor. Tractors have wheels of two different sizes, small front wheels and rear big wheels, a cab, a hood to protect the engine, rear and front fenders, ladder, mufflers and an exhaust pipe. A tractor is a powerful motor vehicle. Most commonly it is used in construction and agriculture. By attaching the ripper to the tractor, we'll plough the land and prepare it for growing crops. A little bit of water, a little bit of sun, the work is done. Will you help me with the harvest? Here also we'll use a tractor to harvest the crop. Wheat is a very important plant. This grain is ground to make flour for bread, cakes, bagels, biscuits and pasta.